iyababa.
Why, Baba?
Because more sober, you can taste the fake.
No.
Like you are forcing us now. We must laugh at your jokes now. You told the gag now. Ha ha ha.
Then you know what's also funny, not to mention anyone.
If you're not in the mix of things, ntozo lamba yona.
You done.
Ndiyafika ndizithengele.
Chesa.
Ayiphi imali unathi?
Dajola.
Ngishadile. Le nwele lezi sicabanisa namafro.
I didn't. I didn't. No, I didn't because we already had enough aces at our table.
To be honest, I'm at a phase in my life where I'm just tired of the club in general. Next question, because we are now lying to each other.
What?
Next.
I'm single.
Okay, it's fine. That's what I'm saying. Next.
And not willing to mingle.
That's what Scots, ne?
And if you're watching, mwah, love ya.
One of the highest paid OnlyFans creators. Don't ask me how I know.
We met at the gym. Believe it or not.
No. Fanele did the same thing to me on my birthday. So,
you know how many times we ask Kukukuti emails Pumanin?
You know what?
You know who comes, ne?